to meet me after school each day. He'd jump and wag his tail and look at me as if to say, I love you and I missed you and I'm glad you're home again. I knew just how he felt, 'cause me and Cracker Jack was friends. Through the woods and fields we would often roam about. When we got in trouble, we would help each other out. I could run almost as fast as Cracker Jack could run. We had a lot in common, and we had a lot of fun. He was always with me when I was growing up. We shared each other's good times, and we shared each other's love. He only lives in memories now, but often I think back to the days of childhood, the days of Cracker Jack. Cracker Jack!